Look how big these babies are getting. They really are beautiful. There's my Hamburg rooster. Again, they are on the threatened list. We're hoping to get some Hamburg hens at some point. We've tried a couple places. They were out of them. Mama definitely kept all 13, which is so cool. And they're looking very, very healthy. They love being out. They're getting more and more adventuresome too. Life at Small Stuff Farm is always wonderful. There's Mama. Auntie Crimson is not being very nice.